My hat! Alright, two of the basic tools that you need to clean an RC car if you just want to do a quick job, even if you're doing a thorough job, just to get it started. But this is mainly if you're not going to disassemble the entire vehicle, which you should. You should disassemble the vehicle to do a thorough cleaning, but let's say you want to do a quick cleaning. Nylon brush works. You can also use a paintbrush and then just cut the bristles so they're shorter. And this works very, very well, depending on what you're cleaning. But the most important thing would actually be an air compressor. So if you get an air compressor, this I've already cleaned with an air compressor, well, most of it, but I'm going to show you and I'm going to do some more. So here we go. Just be careful with your electronics wire because of the air pressure. You don't want to strip anything, but other than that, it works. Watch. Let's try this back here, all of this. See? So if I keep going, it'll end up just like these arms. So let's compare. So if we compare, see these, I've already gone through it with the compressor. Look at the rears. I have not gone through them with a compressor. So that's really all you need. And then you can go into small little places or do small little things with your nylon brush. But those are the two things that you need if you just want to do a quick cleaning job. Let's just say you're not going to store it. You just want something so that it's clean, and maybe you're going to run it in a few hours, or you're going to run it the next day, maybe 2 days. This is not something I would recommend, though, if you're going to be storing it for a month, a year. If you're going to be storing it long term, you should really disassemble and clean everything thoroughly, especially the bearings, anything that moves, any moving components. But if it's just a quick little clean, air compressor is really all you need, and then just a nylon brush or a paintbrush. I shouldn't have to say this, but make sure you leave the air filter on. That's the only reason why that dirty air filter is on. After I'm finished just blowing everything out with the air compressor, then I'll remove the air filter, clean that out. But you want to leave the air filter just so no debris, dust, anything gets into your carburetor. So here it is. This is what I call a quick clean. Again, this is just a very quick cleaning. This is not a thorough cleaning. Thorough cleaning, you really want to take things apart. At this point, I can remove the air cleaner. And there's a little bit right there that I still need to remove, but not a big deal. That'll do once I do a thorough cleaning. But if you look at the fuel tank and the underside of the vehicle, now the other thing too when buying air compressors, If you buy the small, 1 to 1.5 gallon air compressors, they're not going to be very good. They're going to be running out of air constantly. So get something that's at least 30 gallons, somewhere around there. If you can get something that's 60 gallons, even better. I mean, the bigger the air compressor, the better, assuming you have the space for it. But at least a 30-gallon compressor would be a good idea. But other than that, this is what it looks like after just using an air compressor and a nylon brush.
What? Oh, my hair! My tongue! My rod!